at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2005 Suzuki Hayabusa. This bike has 24,800 miles and is offered for $64.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is one of the fastest production bikes out there. This is before they govern down the top speed on it. So these are highly desirable, super fast, just great handling, super sport bikes. In addition to the stock features, this one has a real nice Two Brothers exhaust on it. Also has a little adjustable windshield on there to take a little of the wind drag off you. The bike's been gone through by our service department. We did an oil change and a safety check on it, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at ContraCostaPS.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 45 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.